Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. NumPy is a powerful library in Python used for numerical computations. One of its useful features is the ability to import data from CSV, comma-separated values, files. This can be done using the numpy.loadtxt, or numpy.genfromtxt, functions. Here's a detailed tutorial on how to import CSV data using NumPy, along with code examples. Tutorial: Importing CSV files with NumPy. Step 1. Install NumPy. If you haven't already installed NumPy, you can do so using pip. Open your terminal or command prompt and run. Step 2. Prepare a CSV file. For this tutorial, let's assume you have a CSV file named data.csv with the following content. You can create this file in your working directory or use any text editor to save it. Step 3. Importing CSV data. You can import CSV files using either numpy.loadtxt or numpy.genfromtxt. Here's how both methods work. Method 1. Using numpy.loadtxt. This method is suitable when your CSV file is clean, i.e., no missing values. Explanation asterisk. Delimiter equals specifies that the values in the CSV file are separated by commas. The data is imported as a NumPy array. Method 2, using numpy.genfromtxt. This method is more flexible and can handle missing values or different data types. Explanation asterisk. Genfromtxt can handle missing values and has additional parameters for specifying data types, filling values, and more. Step 4, handling missing data. If your CSV file contains missing values, you can specify how to handle them with genfromtxt. For instance, consider the following CSV file, data_with_missing.csv. You can read this file and handle the missing value as follows. Explanation asterisk. Filling _values equals 0 replaces missing values with 0. Step 5, specifying data types. You can also specify the data type of the imported array. For example, if you want to ensure the data is of type float. Conclusion. NumPy provides powerful functions for importing CSV data, which you can easily manipulate and analyze. Depending on your data's consistency and structure, you can choose between loadtxt, for clean data, or genfromtxt, for more flexibility with missing values and data types. Feel free to explore more options and features in the NumPy documentation to suit your specific needs.